Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Bbnaija lockdown. Everyone is fake to me, Kaisha says as she breaks down in tears during a diary session. Big Brother Naija housemate Kaisha has described every other housemate in the house as fake. Kaisha said this to Biggie during a diary session as she broke down in tears. She said, "Everyone is fake here. They are all just acting up. They would be nice today and the next thing they are not nice. It is just 3 days and all these things are happening. Fake friendship, laughter, conversation for me. At first I thought Erica was cool with me, but then she changed towards me. Right now I'm not bonding with anyone. It is making the house tense and that's not what I expected. I expected the house to be fun, but clearly it's not." She however hoped that things will get better as the show continues. Responding, Biggie advised Aisha to learn to adapt and strive despite all odds. I don't know what this one is expecting herself in the house. Was she expecting them to be all friendly with her? It's a game now, you have to be serious. You need to change like a chameleon. So Kaisha, talk about something else, I beg. You've not seen anything. No? Guys, what are your thoughts about this gist from Kaisha? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drop.